Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you're all doing amazing. In this video, we are going to be analyzing the price of Bitcoin to try to see what direction it is heading. I'm also going to be going over the trade that I had placed on Bybit a few days ago. I want to give you guys an update on that if you've been following that. By the way, if you're new to this channel, welcome. Thank you for tuning in. Just a little bit of intro. My name is Sarah, and on this channel, I teach how to trade and invest in cryptocurrency. I also talk about personal development and so much more. If you are interested in any of this topic, then I invite you to subscribe to the channel. All right, let's look at what the Bitcoin price is doing right now. We'll start out by looking at the daily candle. We'll start out by looking at the daily time frame. Okay, so on the daily time frame here, I can see that Bitcoin has actually broken this resistance line. So this red line has been a resistance for Bitcoin for the past month now. Let me zoom out a little so you can actually see. You can see here it started all the way here. This is the first time that Bitcoin hit that resistance level, and then second time is right over here. The third time it actually broke out, right? The third time it broke out of this resistance line, and this is how we were able to go all the way to 67,000 and all the way to like 69,000, and after that we started reversing back down. However, once Bitcoin came back to this resistance line here, you can see it actually used it as a support, right? It used it as a support and it closed above it. And since then, we've been battling to try to keep and hold that support. So this is like the vertical support, and we also have the horizontal support right here. So this purple box that I've drawn is actually the horizontal support. So you can see when Bitcoin actually was falling, once it hit this support here, it was holding it. However, it couldn't hold it any longer. It actually ended up breaking through it, right? And once it broke through it, it found support again on the vertical resist on this vertical support here. It found support on this vertical line here, and this is around the 40,000, 41, 42,000 price range. Bitcoin has been really trying to hold that support, and it's been doing well so far. It actually broke below that support here, and it tried breaking out of it again. It failed. It tried it like for 3 days. It failed, but now this is the fourth time that Bitcoin is trying to break this vertical support, and it seems to be working out, but I'm watching this very closely. I want to see what the closing price of this daily candle is going to be. This is going to happen in the next 6 hours and 42 minutes. We're going to know whether if this is going to be a real breakout or a fake out. So if this candle here closes above 42,500 and more, then I'm going to say that this is a real breakout, okay? But if it does not close above 42,500, then this is potentially a fake out, okay? So right now it's looking good. So if we go down to the 4-hourly time frame, we get to see more of what's happening, okay? We get to see what's really happening in the market, and right now we can see that we got a very strong bullish 4-hourly candle here, and we want to see this 4-hourly candle actually close high. Like we want to see it close above this past candles here. We want to see it close above this candle, this candle, this candle. You know, if it closes above that, it closes outside of this vertical resistance line, then we can comfortably say that yes, this is a true breakout. Now once Bitcoin has broken out, you know, we're going up, right? But remember, with the market, we don't always just go up right away, right? We go up and then down a little, up, down a little. So when are we gonna hit the next resistance? I will tell you guys right now, okay? Bitcoin has a lot of resistance on its way, so we're gonna need like some strong buying power coming into the market for Bitcoin to really be able to break all this resistance that it has on its way. Right now, the first major resistance that Bitcoin has on its way right now, as it is breaking out of this trend line here, is right here around 44,000 and 46,000. This is a major resistance for Bitcoin, so we need to see Bitcoin really push through this resistance, like just push through right away and close above this price. It needs to close above 46,000 for us to begin to head towards the all-time high. Okay, if this happens, that would be amazing, and I would suggest that you guys place your longs. If you do trade Bitcoin, go ahead and place your longs once you see that Bitcoin has broken 46,000, okay, and it closed above it on the daily time frame. Then you can comfortably go ahead and place your long, and you can be certain that we have resumed the uptrend. Until then, it is very it's very like unpredictable in what's happening. Okay, like right now I decided to open a trade right now because I see what's happening. However, I still have my stop loss, right? I have my stop loss just in case this might be a fake out. But yeah, I open a trade and hoping to take profit once Bitcoin hits this next resistance here at 44,000. So keep a lookout on that. I also looked at the indicators here on the RSI. Bitcoin has been oversold for the past few days now when you look at the RSI. So this means that it is a good time to buy. A lot of people are going to be buying, right? Usually when RSI is oversold, it is an indication that it is a good time to buy. And if the RSI is overbought, which is like around 70, these numbers here, 70 or above it, then that means Bitcoin has been overbought, and you should expect people to start selling, and that would usually bring the price down. Okay, and so yeah, this is what I am expecting Bitcoin to head towards this resistance, and if it push through, then we're back in the uptrend, and if it doesn't, then we are going to start falling. We're going to fall very bad. If Bitcoin fails to break this resistance here, 44,000, 46,000, we're going to start heading back down pretty bad. Okay, so yeah, this is what's happening in the market right now. If you are trading this upward move, yeah, set your stop loss just to make sure you don't lose a lot of money, and make sure you set your take profit. Okay, I will set my take profit at 44,000. Okay, and then take your profit there, and then you can re-enter once Bitcoin breaks 46,000. Okay, that's it for the market. Now let me tell you guys about my trade that I took on Bybit a few days ago. So that trade actually ended up being a losing trade because the market actually went the opposite direction, and I could see that it was heading close to my liquidation price. So I decided to just close my position, and I lost about $10 from that trade. Again, I'm not too worried about it because that money was just for practice. So yeah, I'll keep doing this, and if you guys are finding this helpful, like if you finding how I'm showing you my trades, how I make money from it, showing you how the exchanges like Bybit and Binance works, then give it a thumbs up. Like, let me know, because I want to know if you guys are actually enjoying this so I can keep making more of it. My intention with this channel is to help you guys to also get to this level where you'll be able to start trading Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency on Bybit, Binance, and any other exchange that you choose. So the trade that I opened right now on Binance is up by $27 so far. As you can see right here, it's up by $24 USD. So yeah, that's how it is. Okay, I'm gonna end it here for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have an amazing day.